Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, PowerShell version and the PNP PowerShell module because it provides modern CMDlets. Next, run install module name PNP PowerShell as admin, accept repository prompts. Once the module is installed, you authenticate. Use Connect PNP Online with URL and interactive or certificate parameters. Make sure to choose the appropriate auth method for your tenant, interactive for delegated user work, certificate for app-only automation. This gets your session ready and validates permissions before you proceed. Once connected, configure the method that matches your workflow. If you have multi-factor authentication, use Connect PNP Online URL Site Interactive. This opens a browser prompt and yields delegated tokens. For unattended scripts, register an Azure AD app, grant application permissions like sites. Read-write. All, upload a certificate, and use Connect PNP Online URL Site Client ID certificate path PFX. After authenticating, run Get PNP Web and Get PNP List to confirm you can read site structure and lists. This proves the context is you now run intended actions. Upload files, modify lists, or manage permissions with PNP commands. Always test on a staging site first. When making bulk or structural changes, export a backup using Export PNP Web or Export PNP List so you can restore if needed. If you hit problems, check the common culprits: insufficient token scopes, missing tenant admin consent for app permissions, or mismatched PNP, PowerShell module, and PowerShell versions. Resolve by re-authenticating, updating modules, or granting the exact Azure AD scopes required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.